Guys, hope you are doing good at your home. So I just quickly want to share that what formula I have used for my skin to get this flawless look. And you can see my skin right now, and you have seen like how it was 3 weeks before. I was just having little acne, and I was having pigmentation, I was having redness, and I was having pores as well on my skin. And right now I have no makeup on my skin, and I am talking to you all in the daylight so that you can see the proper result and my clear skin. And the thing which I have used is this serum from Minimalist, which is AHA 25% plus BHA 5% plus BHA 5%, 2%, sorry. So you just have to use the serum once a week, not more than that, and you have to apply a thick layer of the serum on your face for 10 minutes. Okay, so right after using this peel formula, AHA and BHA and PHA also, you just have to hydrate your skin, as well as you have to use a sunscreen for your skin as well, so that if you go into sun directly, then you have the protection on your skin which will not cause any kind of damage. And when once we are using this chemical on our skin, you have to put sunscreen every day, because it is a must right after using this chemical on your skin. Rather you are using any kind of formula, any kind of serum or face wash or anything which contains AHA and PHA both, a must right after using this chemical on your skin. Rather you are using any kind of formula, any kind of serum or face wash or anything which contains AHA and PHA both. So I was using this Minimalist niacinamide 5% plus HA 1%. I'll post the photos of both the serums so you can buy it from Nykaa, and you can buy from Minimalist as well. I have used this for 3 weeks only, and I have got a very good result. So I just wanted to share with you all so that it might help you. And please do a patch test before putting it on your face, because I'll not suggest you to put this directly on your skin, because this is a chemical based serum which can also damage your skin. So do a patch test before using this directly on your skin. Results can be different because everybody has different skin type, and some has oily, some has dry, some has more acne or less pigmentation, some has more pigmentation and less acne, some has pore problem. So it will help you in every way, because I'm having redness, I was having pores, I was having little acne bumps, and I was having everything in all, you can say. So it helped me in every way, and I'm posting the picture of both the serums. You can screenshot and you can buy this from Nykaa, and do not use it more than a week, and you can use this hydrating serum daily, and a sunscreen is a must.